Hello students. In this lecture we are going to study the use of a multimeter. Okay, so this is a digital multimeter which we are going to use to study various semiconductor components like diode, transistor and LED. Okay, so first we'll see what this multimeter is. This is a digital multimeter. So as the name suggests, digital means what? It is going to give us some numbers over here. The numbers are going to be displayed on this screen. This is a LCD screen on which the numbers are going to be displayed. And we call it as a multimeter. Voltmeter will measure only voltage. Ammeter will measure only current. So, but this instrument is a multimeter. It is going to measure many things. It will measure voltage, it will measure current, it will also measure resistance. Okay, and both direct voltage and alternating, and same for current, right? So you can see the different things written over here. This is ohm. So if I change the knob to this particular point, I can measure the resistance. I can measure the resistance over a wide range from 0 ohm to 2 million. That means 2 into 10 to the power of 6 ohms. That is the range I can measure the resistance. Then I can move the knob over here for measuring direct voltage. Again it is over a wide range. If I change the knob to this side, I can measure alternating voltages. See, this is the sign for alternating current, no? So that is it. And over here for measuring the direct current. Now there are 2-3 important points over here. See this. This is the sound symbol, speaker symbol, no? So this shows the connectivity. I will show how to do it. And for measuring the voltages across the semiconductor devices, we always have to place the knob over here. Please keep this in your mind whenever you are measuring the voltages across diodes, transistors or LED. Even if you are measuring voltage, you need not put it on the voltage part. You always have to keep the knob over here where the symbol of diode is placed. Okay, now how are we going to measure this voltages or current? So we have to put some probes over here. Now this black wire is indicating the negative wire. We are going to consider it as the negative. So we are going to put it for the common. Where it is written common, we are going to place it over here. Okay, so there is one more point over here where I am going to put the red wire. So this red is becoming my positive. See what is written over here. I can use this for semiconductor devices for measuring low currents, MA, current in milliamperes. So low current, voltage and resistances. Suppose we have to measure currents which are very high of the range 10 amperes. So I will have to connect this part over here. Okay, so this is the basic working of a multimeter. Now let's see what are the different semiconductor devices that we are going to use. So the first and the simplest semiconductor device is a diode. So let's see. You already know. Now let's see what is this diode. Okay, so this is the symbol for a diode, a triangle and a line. This triangle always shows the P part and this line shows the N part. So this total together, the triangle and the line will form the PN junction. This is the PN junction or the diode. We call it as a PN junction diode also. Okay. Now we can use this diode in two ways. First way is when we connect this positive or this triangle, this P part to positive and N to negative. When the diode is connected like this, we are going to get an output. Like if I connect a voltmeter over here, I check the voltage over here, I will get some voltage. Over here. In such situation where P is connected to positive and N is connected to negative, the diode is conducting. We say that the diode will conduct, and this case is called as the forward bias condition. याला काय म्हणतात? त्याला forward bias condition म्हणतात. कधी जेव्हा P is connected to positive and N is going connected to negative. In such case we get a voltage. इथे जर आपण voltmeter लावला तर आपल्याला voltage मिळणार आहे, कारण this diode is conducting. हा diode conduct करतोय. It is forward biased. Okay. Now if I change this, what do? I make this as negative. I connect P to the negative terminal and N to the positive. Then what is going to happen? आता हा diode जो आहे हा reverse bias झालेला आहे. It is reverse. P is standing for positive and N for negative, right? आता मी हे उलट कनेक्ट केलं. P I have connected to negative and N I have connected positive. So this is the reverse bias. This is the reverse bias case, and when a diode is reverse biased, it does not conduct. Current cannot flow through this diode. It is a reverse bias condition. So I will not get a voltage across this diode because it is reverse bias. Now आता आपण जो ॲक्च्युअल कॉम्पोनंट बघू डायोडचा तो कसा दिसणार आहे आपल्याला. इट इज नॉट अ ट्रायंगल अँड अ लाईन डेफिनेटली. तर तो कसा आहे, यू विल हॅव अ स्मॉल ब्लॉक विच यू कॅन सी इन ब्लॅक कलर. असा ब्लॅक कॉम्पोनंट आहे आणि जिथे एक व्हाईट लाईन दाखवली आहे एका बाजूला. ओके, देर इज अ व्हाईट लाईन ऑन वन साईड. सो दिस व्हाईट लाईन इज ऑन द साईड वेअर वी हॅव द एन टर्मिनल. जिथे एन टर्मिनल आहे तिथे ती व्हाईट लाईन असते. सो एक कॉम्पोनंट बघून आपल्याला कळतं. इफ यू सी अ डायोड विच इज लाईक दिस, ओके, इफ द लाईन इज ऑन दिस साईड you come to know that this is the P terminal and this is the N terminal. Okay, so this is about the diode. Now let's use a multimeter and see what we get. We have components over here. See, we have different components over here. This is our diode. हा diode आहे. आता ह्याच्यात लाईन दिसत नाही आहे. आयडियली ती लाईन आपल्याला दिसणं अपेक्षित होतं. ओके, सो वी विल जस्ट चेक इवन इफ वी डोंट सी द लाईन. जरी आपल्याला माहीत नसलं की कुठलं एन टर्मिनल आहे आणि कुठलं पी टर्मिनल आहे, वी नो अ वे टू फाइंड आउट विच इज द एन टर्मिनल अँड विच इज द पी टर्मिनल, राईट. सो सी, आपण काय करतो आहे, आपण डायोडचं व्होल्टेज घेतो आहे. सो आय हॅव टू कीप दिस नॉब ऑन द डायोड पार्ट, राईट. Now I will connect positive terminal over here and negative terminal over here. Okay, am I getting any voltage? No, see, there is no voltage over here. Now I will reverse this. I will reverse this and place it. See, now I am getting some voltage. This voltage is what? 0.6 volts. ओके, हा व्होल्टेज कधी आला, जेव्हा मी ब्लॅक नॉब या वायरला कनेक्ट केला आणि रेड, दॅट इज द पॉझिटिव्ह, मी इथे केलं. सो वॉट डज दॅट टेल अस? द पी जंक्शन इज ओवर हिअर अँड एन इज ओवर हिअर, अँड वेन आय कनेक्ट इट लाईक दिस, दिस डायोड इज बीइंग फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड. इट इज फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड अँड आय एम गेटिंग अ voltage and I get a voltage of 0.6 volts. So we can write this in our table. Which we will do later. Just remember right now कि we have got the voltage of this diode in forward bias to be 0.6 volts. When I make it reverse, it is reverse biased. See, are we getting any voltage now? No, there is no voltage because it is reverse biased. The diode will not conduct in reverse bias condition. Okay, now let's see transistors. See this diagram now. What is a transistor? Transistor is basically a combination of two diodes. Here we just had one diode. In transistor we have two diodes which are placed back to back. Okay, so this diode had just two junctions, one P and one N. A transistor will have three junctions. It will have three junctions. This center one, this is called as the base. It is called as the base. The other two junctions will have the same terminals, P and P, and the base is different. Here it is a PNP transistor. This N, base is N, and the other two regions, one is a collector and other is a emitter. One is collector and other is the emitter. You will study what collector is, what emitter is in the theory part, right? Here what we need to know is, if the arrow is pointing inward, it means that it is PNP transistor. It is PNP transistor. Okay? And this is, see, the arrow is outward. This common part is always the base. The arrow is pointing outward, showing that this is the emitter. It is going outward, so it is N. This is the collector, NPN transistor. Okay? Arrow is always shown on the emitter. So this is a NPN transistor and this is a PNP transistor. Now we are going to use the multimeter to find out which part is which. Now I will just show a diagram of a transistor that you will be using. When you see the actual component, the component is going to look like this. You have a small part like this, a transistor, collector, base, emitter is everything inside. What you get out is 3 wires like this. 3 wires like this. This center one, we know that it is base. Madla base hai apnala mahiti. But we don't know what is this. This can be collector also or it can be emitter also. We don't know. By just looking at it, we cannot identify. Okay? So, how are we going to identify whether this is a PNP or NPN? How can we identify which is collector, which is emitter? So, all this we can do using a multimeter. I'll just tell you the theory part over here and then we will do the actual activity. Now see, suppose I connect a voltmeter, that multimeter, okay? I'm going to connect multimeter to these knobs over here to check whether it is a NPN transistor or PNP transistor, right? Suppose this is my multimeter. This is my multimeter. I get reading over here. I connect the positive part. Suppose this is the positive. This yellow line is indicating positive. I connect positive over here. This is my positive terminal. And this white line is my negative terminal. It is my negative terminal. Okay? So I have connected positive over here and negative over here. If I get a value, say 0.78 something, I get some value over here. So what does that mean? When positive is connected over here and negative is connected over here, this transistor is conducting. In diode we have seen, if you connect positive to P and negative to N, only then a diode conducts. And what is this transistor? It is as good as 2 diodes. So if I get some value over here, it means that this terminal is P and this is N, and obviously this is also going to be P. You can just reverse it and see. Now I will connect my negative wire to this positive wire. I connect over here, and this negative wire, that is the white wire, I will connect to this terminal. Now what will happen? You will see that we won't get any reading over here, because earlier itself we had got and we had come to know that this is PNP. If this is P and if you connect negative wire to it, it is not going to show any reading. Okay, it will not show us any reading, right? So in this way we can identify which is a PNP transistor. Now what we are going to do is, for a transistor, we will connect the multimeter over here between 2 terminals, take down the reading. Suppose I get it as 0.72. Then I take the same multimeter and I connect it over here between these 2 points. And I get the reading, I connect the multimeter over here and I get the reading as 0.68 volts. This is in volts. We are measuring the voltage. So what do we see? Voltage ithe kami ahe and ithe jasti hai. We are getting more voltage over here. So from this, what do we come to know? We come to know that the voltage between these two is more than these two. And our knowledge of transistors tell us that since emitter is highly doped compared to the collector, the emitter base voltage is always more than the collector base voltage. So I can come to know that since the voltage is high over here, this terminal should be the emitter and this terminal should be the collector. मधला बेस आहे हे आपल्याला माहिती आहे, we know that it is base, right? So in this way, by knowing the values of this voltages, we can come to know whether a transistor is NPN or PNP, and also we can come to know whether which terminal is collector and which terminal is emitter. Okay, so we will just see all this on the instrument now. Now see, these are the two transistors over here. Okay, what you can see a box like this, and there are 3 wires. The center wire is the base. Now first we will check whether it is a NPN or a PNP. Now see. Okay, now we have this knob kept at diode because transistor is also a semiconductor device. Now I will put my positive terminal on the side one and negative at the base. See, are we getting any voltage? We are not getting any voltage. So that means this is not a PNP. This is not a PNP transistor. Now I will change it. I will connect my negative, that is the black terminal on the side, and for the base I will connect positive. See, I have got a voltage. What is that? 0.756. So what does this tell us? Ki we are getting a voltage when the base is connected to positive. That means this is a NPN transistor. We have understood this much. आता आपण बघूया की एमिटर कुठे आहे आणि कलेक्टर कुठे आहे. सो आय विल चेक द वोल्टेज अक्रॉस द अदर टू. आता मी हे उलट्या या साईडच्या टर्मिनलला लावते आणि हे बेसचं मध्ये रेडच ठेवलं आहे. सी, आय गॉट अ लेसर voltage, that is 0.750. Okay, when I connected it over here it was 0.756. when I connect it over here it is 0.750. what does that mean? इथे voltage जास्ती आहे म्हणजे emitter is on this side. so this is emitter, this is base and this is collector. okay, असंच same process we can use for other transistor also. we will write down the readings, but before that we will see this LED part also. LED हा LED आहे, which you have seen many a times. खूप इंस्ट्रुमेंट्समध्ये असतोच LED, घरी बिरी पण पाहिला असेल. what is this LED? it is a light emitting diode. डायोड म्हटलं की इट इज अ सेमीकंडक्टर डिव्हाइस, राईट. सो आता ह्याच्यात पण हा सेमीकंडक्टर आहे आणि डायोड आहे, तर P आणि N असणार आहे. वी विल हॅव टू फाइंड आउट. आय कनेक्ट ब्लॅक ओवर हिअर अँड रेड ओवर हिअर. सी, इट इज ग्लोईंग. दॅट मीन्स दिस इज द P एंड ऑफ दिस डायोड अँड दिस इज द N. आता मी हे उलटं केलं तर हा ग्लो होणार आहे का? नाही, बिकॉज इट इज रिव्हर्स बायस्ड. I have connected N to positive and positive to negative. So it is not conducting. That's why it is not glowing. See, when I connect, इथे P आहे आणि इथे N आहे. हे इथे लिहिलेलं नाही आहे, हे ग्लो होतं म्हणूनच आपल्याला कळलं आहे. So it is, see, right? So this is forward biased and that's why this light is glowing and we can see the voltage. Only thing is that you have to see it very quickly. See it, how much is it? It is 0.913 volts. Okay, so we will make a note of this readings. Now we have to write the readings over here. Okay, so these are the two observation tables given to you. See, we had performed for first transistor. We connected the probes across the base and collector, base and emitter. We got two voltages, that is 0.750 volts and 0.756 volts. Whichever is more, what did we say? That emitter base voltage is always more. So out of the two values, whichever you get more, you have to write over here. जे जास्ती आहे ते एमिटर बेस व्होल्टेज असतं, त्यामुळे ते एमिटर बेसच्या खाली लिहायचं. आणि जे कमी असतं ते कलेक्टर बेस व्होल्टेज असतं, ते इथे लिहायचं. फार फरक नसतो. सी, द डिफरन्स इज व्हेरी स्मॉल, but yet the difference is there. And we had also seen that it was a NPN transistor. right? It was a NPN transistor. Similarly, you have to do for transistor 2 and write down the details over here. We saw for a diode also, we got the voltage as 0.6 volts. फॉरवर्ड बायसलाच डायोड कंडक्ट करतो, त्यामुळे फक्त इथेच व्होल्टेज येणार आहे. रिव्हर्स बायसला अ डायोड विल नॉट कंडक्ट, सो यू विल गेट अ डॅश ओवर हिअर. व्होल्टेज मिळणारच नाही आहे, इट विल बी झिरो. सो यू हॅव टू पुट अ डॅश बिकॉज डायोड डज नॉट कंडक्ट इन रिव्हर्स बायस. डायोड 2चं यू हॅव टू सॉल्व. आणि LED पण यू सॉ दॅट द बल्ब ग्लोड अँड वी गॉट अ voltage of 0.931 volts. Reverse biasमध्ये it will not conduct, it will not glow, so it is just a dash. So this is the how to use a multimeter for studying various semiconductor components. Thank you.